Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple comic. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper, some colorful markers, and a stapler. To start, bend your paper like this and crease it down the side until you get something like this. Next, you're going to make a front cover over here. So on your next paper, you're just going to crease it same like this one, but you're going to have to do it on, you're going to make another cover, and then you're going to draw a line and write your title, and then you could add details and color it and whatsoever. Next, you're going to draw some comic strips, like you're going to draw and make a square or a rectangle, anything like that. You're going to draw your story on this paper, over here too. Then once you're done there, you'd go over to here, to here, here, and try to end it off here. If you can't, try doing a part 2. Next, you could you just draw a paper or the end or something like that to end off your comic. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.